The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is going to be one of the biggest phone come January 2025, based on the leaks and rumors that is reaching us. If you think that Samsung has gone to sleep because of the applause and all the praise that they have received from S24 Ultra, then you must be joking, because the leaks that we are getting is mind-blowing. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please comment to help this channel. The first leak that we are getting is the improvement in their software. Of course, the S24 Ultra already have Galaxy AI that supports the live translate, that supports circle to search, and every other thing. That they are going to use the Galaxy AI. They are also going to integrate Android 15, the latest version of Android. Because Android just released a statement that they are going to release Android 15 in October this year. So it's going to be even more powerful phone than we can ever imagine. So Samsung, they are going to upgrade their software on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, another rumor we have gotten for you is based on the performance and the battery. They said there will be an upgrade device to overheat, because we know when there's too much processor like this, it usually causes the device to overheat. But with the help of the Android 15 that is going to be launched, then maybe it will be able to cushion overheating. Another rumor reaching us is that there will be an upgrade from the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on S24 Ultra to Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, we have a 4.3 GHz prime core, an upgrade from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 that has 3.4 GHz prime core on S24 Ultra. And on the battery, we've not heard much rumor, but so far, the 5000 mAh battery that is on S24 Ultra is still one of the best battery on any Android device, and we believe that Samsung is going to keep it on that 5000 mAh battery. We have some rumor that Samsung will change the 45 watts fast charging that is on S24 Ultra to at least 50 watts charging to the new S25 Ultra. So another rumor reaching us is that there will be an upgrade in the camera. For the S24 Ultra, came with 200 megapixels main sensor along with 100 megapixel space zoom features. So there will be an upgrade, but the ultra wide lens will jump from 12 megapixel sensor to 50 megapixel sensor, and that will be a very huge upgrade. But there are some rumors that got on the display, and the rumors suggest that the display will increase from 6.8 inches that is on S24 Ultra to 9.8 inches. We also heard that the brightness of S25 Ultra will also increase. That means the phone, and if they are true just as we predicted, that means there will not be any that will be able to compete with Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And that is all we have for you in today's video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.